Tired of DocuSign documents getting altered when you only need someone to see the final version? First, we'll leverage DocuSign Templates to ensure consistent read-only access. Click on Templates at the top of your DocuSign dashboard. Now, create a new template by selecting New in the upper left corner. Then choose Create Template from the drop-down. Upload your document to the template by dragging and dropping it or browsing your files. Add a recipient role and, critically, set their action to Needs to View in the drop-down menu. This grants read-only access. To make the document read-only for yourself as the sender, find the Advanced Options section near the bottom, and be sure to uncheck the box that says Allow Sender to Edit. Then click Save and Close. When sending, choose Use Template on your Templates page next to the template you just created. Verify the recipients and that the Needs to View role is applied, and then send the document. Now, both you and your recipients will only be able to view, not alter, the document.